Another song. Kill him. Killing him, killing him, killing him. Alright. I know you feel this beat, because I do. Monster Mike. Yeah. Alright. About to go in. Here we go. So look now. I got your bitch knocking on my back though. I have her tiptoeing on my mama's floor. Ooh, quick, don't look now, mama. I got her sneaking through the window. Too bad that dad already know. We seen the bitch climbing through my window. Straight to the bedroom, my bedroom. Cause you already know about the SEX. That's what sex. And I'm the best. Even if I have to take it out of state and take it to Tennessee and get her pumped on 5 bound with energies. Then after, if I can see your titties, please. Then go back just so I can have a tiptoeing on my mama's floor. Too bad that dad already know. He asked me how many hoes have I been sneaking through my front and back door. And even my window, I don't know. Kick back, take another hit of endo. Then ask him take me to the store to get more raincoats to fuck my hoes. Fuck my hoes. Fuck my hoes. Fuck my hoes. But never let bitches come between your bros, and never fuck your bros hoes is what I've always been told. That was the bro code. So I have always had my own hoes. Never once have one of my bros hoes ever tiptoed on my mom's floor. I've always had them leave together, walk out the front door, and later the night have one of my hoes come through to smoke an L, then hit the bed and give it hell like it never fails, because I got your bitch tiptoeing on my mama float, and I'ma fuck the speaker up if it don't stop beeping.